Okay, in this video, I'm going to instruct you on how to download the model-specific print driver for a Konica Minolta C3351 on a Mac operating system. I know with Macs, you can use a Bonjour connection to automatically connect to your printer, and those work fine sometimes, but I find that the model-specific print drivers work pretty flawlessly, so I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first, we need to know our IP address for the printer. If you don't know how to do that, follow these instructions, walk up to your printer and actually get the IP address off of it. Write it down. We'll need it for this. Once you have that, though, we can open up a web browser. Any web browser will do, and we're going to type in Konica print drivers. And we'll look for this Onyx Web one right here that says self-help product support. And we'll click on that. And in the quick search bar to your left, you're going to type in C3351. And actually click on it right there rather than hitting your enter key. Go to drivers in the center, and then you're going to find your operating system. So we're working with Macs here. If you don't know which one it is, you simply go to your little Apple logo on the top left and hit about this Mac, and it'll tell you right here. So I'm 11.6, so I am going to find 11 point blank. And then all you want to do is find the latest version that just has all the models listed here. And then it says series, version 11, and then letter zip. You want to click this one. Don't click this long one here. That's like a PDF. You want to click this zip file. Click on that and let it download. And then once it's downloaded, you can go to your Finder and go to your downloads and double click on it there. And then double click again and open this installation package. Hit continue, 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 agree to that, and then hit install. It may prompt you to put in your password here. If it does, just go ahead and put in your password and hit install software. It's going to go ahead and run the installation package. And this may take just a brief moment. Once the installation is successful, you can go ahead and close that. It may ask you to access your downloads folder so it can move that installation package to the trash for you. Once you've downloaded that successfully, go to your system preferences and double click on printers and scanners. And right here, hit that little plus button. Now this is where we're going to add it. So like I said before, the Bonjour connection, it'll find printers automatically if you're on the same Wi-Fi as the printer. And you can use those, but sometimes they just don't give you all the features and functionality of the machine. So we're going to do it using IP address. So here you're going to type in your IP address. Yours may be different than mine. And then make sure this right here is set to LPD. And then this is where you can name the printer. You can leave it named by IP address. I kind of usually like to put in the model number and the manufacturer's name. You can put in whatever you want though. You can put an office printer, bedroom printer, whatever it may be. And then under use, you're going to go to select software. Yours will probably start out by saying generic PostScript, but go to select software and click on that. And then scroll down until you find Konica Minolta. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the one that says 3351 PS, which stands for PostScript. You can hit OK there. You can hit Add. Again, I already have a printer on that IP address, so you can ignore that. And then here you can just hit OK. If you want to test it out, you can go ahead and hit Open Print Queue. And then go to Printer and hit Print Test Page. It'll send an actual test page to the printer, and if that prints out, you are good to go. No further steps involved, and you've just now downloaded the model-specific print driver for your Mac.